That old family video you haven't watched in years. What if it's too damaged to play? I found a 10-year-old family video and wanted to relive the memories. But the file was corrupted and wouldn't open. My heart sank. I googled solutions and found Wondershare Repairit. Download and open it under the video repair feature. Just click the start and imported the video file you want to repair. Then clicked repair, and it worked until the full complete video appeared in the repair results. This tool fixed it in minutes. Literally magic. Grandpa sitting in the garden telling stories. The kids laughing in the background. Woo! Everything was there again. Don't lose your memories. Repair corrupted data in any scenario with Repairit now.